Yeah, mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olóríire tí ẹ̀ ń wò mí káàkiri àgbáńlá ayé níbikíbi tẹ́ ẹ ti ń wò mí. Ọmọlúkà yín tún rèé, mo tún dé gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe ń dé o. Mo kí ọmọdé, mo kí àgbà. I am supposed to do this program in English language, but because the message is mostly for my people in Yoruba land, that is why I'm going to communicate with them with my mother language, and that is Yoruba language. Now, ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, kí n tó wá tẹ̀síwájú nínú ohun tí mo fẹ́ sọ, ṣé mọ̀ pé gbogbo ìgbà ni mo ń tẹnu mọ́ yín pé Nàìjíríà ò kì í ṣe ibi tó yẹ kí ènìyàn tàtàtàbọ̀ ọmọlúwàbí wà. Ègún ní Nàìjíríà, èpè ní Nàìjíríà. Kí n tó máa lọ, kí n tó wọnú ọ̀rọ̀ mi gangan, ẹ bá mi wo fídíò kékeré tí mo fi síta yìí. Ẹ bá mi sáré wo fídíò yẹn.
What kind of country? I don't know why. What kind of nonsense? For goodness sake. This is so hard. This is so hard. This is now. Nothing.
This can never be the problem of Nigeria now.
Wait now, Kai. You are not the one to dictate to us now. Guys, you are not good.
They don't even have school fees. They don't have any. They don't even have
When they say they leave money cap your account.
These people we are just 90-something years. That's something that's these days. That's these days. That's what is doing. My case is different than my child. What is
Hello. Please, maybe the recording can just stop for now. Let's just take a position and see what's going on. Let's just organize ourselves.
Yá, ẹ má bínú, iná yẹn ló tún ti sáré lọ. Mo fẹ́ fi àsìkò yìí sọ fún gbogbo yín pápátá, ẹ wo fídíò kékeré tí ẹ wò yẹn. Ṣẹ́yìn fúnra yín rí nǹkan tá à ń pariwo wípé Nàìjíríà ti dorí kodò. Ọmọ ọdún 11 ó wà lára àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n detain. Ọmọ ọdún 12, ọmọ ọdún 13. Now, ṣé a fẹ́ sọ wípé Nàìjíríà ò rí? A fẹ́ sọ pé Nàìjíríà ò rí, ojú wọn fọ́, wọn ò mọ̀ wípé ìṣẹ́ àti ìyà, ebi ló sún àwọn ọmọdé yẹn débi tó ti lọ gba flag. Akàntí ẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé àwọn ọmọ wọn yẹn, ṣé Nàìjíríà gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì fẹ́ sọ wípé wọn ò mọ àwọn ọmọ wọn yẹn, wọ́n mọ gravity wípé wọ́n lọ gbé àsíá orílẹ̀-èdè Russia wá sí Nàìjíríà. It is clear wípé àwọn ọmọ wọn yẹn wọ́n lọ sí ibi tí ebi ń pa wọ́n. Wọ́n wá lọ síbi tí wọ́n ti ń fóúnjẹ ń tàn wọ́n gbé ó yá wá gbóúnjẹ, ó yá ìwọ gba flag yẹn jáde, a fẹ́ pariwo. Àwọn ọmọ wọn yẹn, they don't know the importance or the gravity of the crime tó wà behind that thing, because ìṣẹ́ àti ìyà ebi ló sún àwọn ọmọ wọn yẹn débi tó ti lọ gbóúnjẹ àti wá 1,000 naira tí wọ́n fún wọn tí wọ́n fi lọ gba flag. Ṣé a fẹ́ sọ pé Nàìjíríà gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ò mọ̀? Ṣé a fẹ́ sọ pé Nàìjíríà gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ò mọ̀ yìí pé àwọn ọmọ wọn yẹn kéré? Awítà ìwé ọlọ́pàá kan dìde, mo ń wo fídíò ẹ̀, ó láwọn ọmọ wọn yẹn ó ní wọn ò kéré jù láti prosecute tàbí láti gbé lọ sí court. Ṣùgbọ́n Yàyà Bello òun ti dàgbà jù láti arrest láti gbé lọ court. More than 75 people was killed about 2 days ago ní Jigawa. Government ò rí kankan ṣe sí. They were unable to arrest the people. Àwọn tó lọ ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn tó lọ pa èèyàn, wọn ò rí kankan ṣe sí. The people that are tormenting this country, tí wọ́n jẹ country tó ń pè ní Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n fẹ́ jẹun, wọn ò rí wọn arrest, wọ́n ti dàgbà jù, wọ́n ti over level tó fi yẹ kán arrest wọn. No wonder tẹ́nìkan fi sọ pé Nàìjíríà méjì ló wà, Nàìjíríà tálákà àti Nàìjíríà olówó. I disagree. Nigeria kan ṣoṣo ló wà, and that Nigeria is estate of the British. àwọn bìrìtìkó ló ní wọ́n dẹ̀ make sure yìí pé àwọn tó ń darí yín níbẹ̀ pé àwọn làwọn ń darí wọn so that ẹ̀yin fúnra yín gan ẹ̀ ní mọ ibi tẹ́ ẹ ń lọ ẹ̀ ní mọ ibi tẹ́ ẹ dé ẹ̀ ní mọ ibi tẹ́ ẹ wà. Imagine ẹ wo àwọn ọmọ wọn yẹn bó ṣe ń dákú nínú ẹ wò wọn bó ṣe ń dákú nínú this is painful. Ẹ wo àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké àwọn ọmọ 12-13 years bó ṣe ń dákú they have been detained for more than 90 days. But Nigeria ò rí Yàyà Bello wọn ò rí gbé wọn ò rí àwọn olè tó jẹ gómìnà tó ń jẹ owó state lájẹrun wọn ò rí àwọn mínísítà tí wọ́n ní ẹjọ́ pẹ̀lú EFCC wọn ò rí wọn gbé wọn ò rí ẹni tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ lórí eléyìí tó jáde tó ń fọ́ etí Uber driver tó ní I can make you disappear Nigeria ò rí ẹni tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ lórí tó anẹ́sẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé Nigeria náà àwọ́ọ̀dù irú ẹni yẹn wọ́n àwọ́ọ̀dù 500,000 bail àwa ń gbọ́ pé àwọn ọmọ wọn yẹn wọ́n wá àwọ́ọ̀dù 10 million naira bail for every one of those children. Do you now see the reason tí mo fi sọ pé there is nothing like Nigeria except we can never ṣe rí gbogbo incident tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ẹ̀yin kan believe yí pé bad leader kò ṣe bad leader it's not issue of bad leader it's issue of bad foundation. If the foundation ìpìlẹ̀ tó bá ti bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá mẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá bàjẹ́ kí ló lódodo fẹ́ ṣe. I keep on telling you my people the foundation is faulty. Nigerian foundation is questionable. Something must be done except if Nigeria is disintegrated. If Igbo is on their own and Yoruba on their own and the Arewas on their own, except we go back to that. Things can never be normal in Nigeria. Things can never be normal in this shithole called Nigeria. America is a country. They have a good foundation. People were commenting, shouting, complaining about Donald Trump. That is a very bad man, is this, is that. Upon that, Donald Trump rules and governs United States of America for 4 years. And nothing happened. Nothing changed. People were not being killed. Nobody was killed in the United States of America. Everything, the government was going on. Because upon being a very bad person, he built on the good and solid foundation that was, that United States of America was built upon. We don't need to deceive ourselves. Nigeria ò kì í ṣorílẹ̀-èdè. Nigeria kì í ṣorílẹ̀-èdè. Àtàbá kúrò ń bẹ̀ káyé tanra wa jẹ ká kúrò nínú ẹ̀ kó ní kálukú ṣe tiẹ̀ à ń tanra wa ni. Because kò sí bó ṣe máa jẹ president in Nigeria àwọn tó fẹ́ pàṣẹ fún ẹ wọ́n wà níbì kan they were the people that will be controlling you that will be commanding you do this do that tó o bá ti ṣe we will do this for you we will do this for you. I won't take much of your time. You can see àwọn tó yẹ kó jẹ́ ògo ọmọ tó yẹ kó wà ní school kó máa kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ it is true they are not from my people. They are not from my tribe. They are not from my Yoruba land. Of course, yes. But I must stand for justice because what is happening is wrong. It is because the foundation of this country was laid on a falsehood, was laid on lies and deceit. Òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ó máa ń gbúyàn bí ègún ni. Àwọn ń pariwo ẹgbẹ́ ẹjẹ́ kó ní kálukú padà sáyé ẹ̀. But those people that are ruling us, àwọn gangan ló ń pàṣẹ pé kò sí ní tó jọ. No wonder the same President Tinubu that said sometimes ago that he did not believe in one Nigeria. The same person was shouting Nigeria we hate it today. The same person was shouting our brotherhood today. In brotherhood we stand. Because the people that are controlling this country, they grabbed him by the neck and they are telling him, this is what we want you to do, and that is what he is doing. We don't need to deceive ourselves. Look at these small children. Criminal adults were out there. The EFCC cannot arrest them. The police cannot arrest them. The Nigerian government, DSS, they can't arrest them. They are arresting 11, 12, 13 years old children. Children that were supposed to be in the school learning how to make this country great. ń sọ ilé fún yín ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ tí ì rí nǹkan kan o ẹ tún lọ kọ sílẹ̀ ẹ kọ déètì ẹ̀ ní go and write it down ẹ tí ì rí kinní kankan ojú yín máa rí màbo mo sọ fún yín nígbà tó ń ta ráìsì ní 30-something-thousand mo ní wọ́n máa ta fún yín ní 100 rice is 115,000 120,000 currently. And I can guarantee you, before we get to December period, I can assure you that you will buy a bag of rice at the rate of 150,000 naira. You are just ẹsẹ̀sẹ̀ mẹ́yẹ ẹ̀bọ̀ lápò ní ojú yín ò tí ì rí kankan. N bá sọ fún yín, a sì rí lára yín tó ń tẹ̀lé àwọn olóṣèlú kiri, tó ń sátẹ̀lé wọn, tó ń pariwo, PDP power, APC power to the people, or this or that. APC progress. Àrí nínú yín tó sì ń ṣe àrùn yín ló ṣe mí kò ì dókè ara yín ni kò ì tí ì gùn yín tán ń bò bá gùn yín tó dókè ara yín you will keep on eating those people ẹ̀yin fúnra yín àwọn lẹ́mọ̀ máa fi ṣe oúnjẹ jẹ ẹ máa jẹ wọ́n láìfù rẹ̀ àwa ń sọ fún yín ọ̀nà tí nǹkan fi lè gún tó fi lè tò tára fi lè rọ̀ ẹ́ tá fi rọ̀ mí à ń sọ fún yín people were running away from the country medical doctors trained from this country were running away to another country. Wọ́n wúlò fáwọn orílẹ̀-èdè yẹn. Àwọn trained engineers they were running away from this country getting to another country. Wọ́n lọ build àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè yẹn and Nigeria is getting to nothing. All we have is to give us tax, pay this tax, pay. I wept for those children. I wept for the future of àwọn ọmọ tẹ́ ẹ bí sílẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ mọ tí wọ́n fẹ́ jẹ́ lọ́la inú yín dùn I want my son to be a doctor I want my daughter to be a lawyer I want my this to be this or to be that I pity you I wept for you I wept for your future because Nigeria don't have any plan for your future even the people you that are living currently is there any plan for your future? Did Nigeria has any plan for you? Nigeria has no plan for you. They didn't plan for your father or your grandfather. So why would they plan for you? If they don't plan for you, why would they have a plan for your unborn children? I pity you. I have told you the only solution. Let everybody be on their own. That is the only solution. You can watch the video again because ẹkún gbọ̀n mí omijé ń bọ́ lójú mi I couldn't take it when I watched that video I couldn't. àwọn ọmọ yẹn ń dákú nínú kóòtù wọ́n ń dákú ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá jáde ó ń sọ wípé ọmọ 13 years can be prosecuted. Hi, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, what type of country is this, for God's sake? Watch the video. I am going. I can't bear it. Oh, Jesus Christ.